Hey folks, it's Vic Noble here with your weekly trade example for the week ending November the 9th of 2012. And one thing I've noticed that happens, especially with novice traders, that it's very easy to get infatuated with technical indicators because they're pretty cool. They kind of look nice on your chart, kind of pretty, different colors and all that. But I think that one of the real very dangerous things with technical indicators is that you can lose sight of what's important in trading. Technical indicators lag price, right? Nothing's more instant than price itself. And you want to become very careful, just be very careful of letting technical indicators kind of take over and lose sight of what matters, because like on this chart on the euro here, I've got these different levels marked. I have that for a reason. I want to see, like, they're important levels. When price hits, support here and rallies up, I'm wondering, where's it going to stop? Well, that used to be resistance. So how can I structure a trade in there to take advantage of this? That's what the RFP course does, exactly this. It shows you a pattern number 6, or it might be this could be a divergence trade, or whatever it is. When it comes down, where can I expect it to stop and stop going down? Where's it going to react? When it rallies back up again, like if I'm in a downtrend, where do I want to key in on to sell? And you can see them all marked here. These are put in ahead of time. I don't put them in after the fact. They're very easy to do. We show you exactly the best way how to draw these things in the Coach's Corner. And yesterday in the Coach's Corner, I went over this in detail with the members because I know that it's easy, like I say, to start relying on technical indicators rather than, the technical indicators should be second, price should be first. And I'm going to show you actually an email that I got from one of the Coach's Corner members this morning. I'm recording this on Friday the 9th. The Coach's Corner was yesterday on the 8th. And just hang on a sec. And okay, there we go. So this is the what I did is I didn't, just for his own privacy, I didn't put his email address up or anything like that. His name's Graham, a guy from Australia. But look at this. I got this just this morning after our Coach's Corner session yesterday. He says I viewed the recording of the latest CC session. By the way, reason why he's looking at the recording, they're all recorded, all the Coach's Corner sessions, but he can't necessarily be at them just because of the time of day, and a lot of people are in that category, by the way, but you can still get lots and lots out of the Coach's Corner, and I can still look after any questions you have, that kind of thing. Anyway, I viewed the recording of the latest CC session earlier today and took on board your coaching regarding identifying support resistance on the 4-hour and daily charts. Although I have been taking note of levels in the past, your session today reinforced just how important and powerful they are, and I realized I've been paying too much attention to the indicators and not applying sufficient focus on support resistance and price action. I think the light went on today. My focus is now on support resistance levels with price action and at those levels, and then I will look at the indicators. Thanks for a great and valuable lesson. And you know what? There's more to this email. I didn't put the whole thing in there. He then went out and found a nice perfect level on the euro and took 40 pips out of it. Isn't that nice? I mean, I love that. That you sort of put a lesson out there and go over some really good detail in it in the Coach's Corner, and then somebody can go out and actually apply it and use it and make some money with it. That's what it's all about. So that's the lesson. I'll just keep it at that. I think we'll just leave it. I think you get the idea. I use indicators, don't get me wrong, and we use them in the RFP course. You'll see in a limited way. We don't use them very extensively, but even if you do use a lot of indicators, it's okay. But the primary focus should be on support, resistance, trend. How do you identify trend? We go over that thoroughly too. And then once you've got that all figured out, okay, how can my technical indicators help me to get in on a trade and make some pips? Okay, hope that helps you guys. Refocus your efforts on the support, resistance, and the trend. You'll do better, in my opinion. All right, thanks so much, you guys, for listening, and have a great weekend. I'll be back at the end of next week with another weekly trade example for you. Thanks so much.